So let's say that you want to save this image for the web, but you don't want to use a preset. So you go File, Save for Web and Devices, and you can over here choose whatever you like, and you can play around and see it 4 different ways and at different case sizes. So here's the one I just did before, a ping. Now normally any kind of photo you save it as a JPEG. So let's do JPEG. So we've got this one selected. Notice if I move my hand and I click, I have other ones selected, and they're all different. You'll see that the names and the amounts of dithering and colors are different. So I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to say I want to save it as a JPEG, but I want it to be a very high quality. So you can choose maximum, and you'll see that the size of the file does go up in size. It's 1.44 megs, as opposed to if I do low, it's 151. You also realize that the quality degrades as the case size gets smaller. So what you want to do is you want to try different things. I'm going to click here and do JPEG, and maybe try high here, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to say JPEG, and now I'm going to do medium. And now I'm going to look and see, well, we can see that this one is kind of orangey. It's lost some of the colors, so it's not working with as many colors as this one. And you can see that this one has a little bit more detail than this one, but this one isn't so bad, actually. So you can say, well, okay, 253K, it's still big, but it's not as big as 473K. And again, it's going to depend on your client and how small they want the files, or your boss, and how small they want your files to be for the web. So normally they usually want you to go really small, so you might choose this one here, but you can play around. You can play with the blur, you can play, like, you can change the quality a little bit, bring it up or down, and you'll notice that you'll get a different case size. It'll be bigger. So you make that decision. Once you've made those decisions, you then will hit the save button, and you can name your image whatever you want to name it. Make sure you save it in your web folder, and you're good to go.